is an 86 S-10 extended cab. Or lowering blocks. It's already been lowered 3 inches. It's looking good back here. So I'm starting the rewire process. This hot wire that goes down to the starter had a burn from the header. I cut it off. I use this kearney on this end, switch the other end, it's down the starter. The starter has to have this jumper put on it. I just made this little jumper. Almost looks like maybe this one messed up and somebody extended this wire down to the little high torque starter. Used to come up to this. So I'm gonna hook it back to here. If it don't work, we'll replace this solenoid. It's kind of hard to show you, but the jumper is now on. That's way down underneath the header on the solenoid of the mini starter. And if we come up here, this little wire comes from the push button starter. It's now on this solenoid. I'm about to hook the battery up and see what happens. Just adjusted the floats in the carburetor. It was flooding when you shut it off and it was hard to start back up. Now it should start easier. And I've just purchased a switch trying to tame some of those wires under the dash. This is the switch we're using right now, the vice grips. And I also need to work on the taillight, and I also need to work on the brake light switch. The brake lights are staying on. I'll put that on the list right now. S-10 update. This switch is now the ignition switch. This is the push button for the starter. These are the electric fans. The green wire are brake lights. The brown and blue wires, that's headlights and parking lights. And in a few seconds we'll get this piece back on. Get rid of all them wires hanging down. There we go. Headlights.